Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Natively. Today is the 12th day of my 30 days challenge where every day I'm building one app and giving it away to someone who wants to build it further. So I'm building a MVP level mobile app and give it away to one of you. So let's start building, and happy Sunday to everyone. I hope you're having fun, taking some time off, relaxing, but also building something for yourself, building your dream apps, and just building whatever you like. So today, what I want to build, because I remember when I was a student, I always wanted to remember, formulas, notes, and everything else. All this study related stuff. And but there was not, so many flashcards and apps and AI back then. It was like 5 years ago, 4 years ago. It was just the beginning of AI, slowly ChatGPT came and other things, but still flashcards were not a big thing. So today I want to build Flashcard app. You upload your study materials and it creates you flashcards. So let's just start. Build me a Flashcard Study App. So we just gave it a very simple prompt and we let Natively to build the app for us. Let me walk you through the Natively. So here you can see the code. You can edit the code if you know how to code, but Natively is built and is mainly for non-technical people. Of course, if you're a technical person, you're welcome to use. You're faster, you know how things work, but we have built Natively to let non-technical people build mobile apps, their dream mobile apps. Here you can see more. Supabase is our database, the backend, environment variables we have. We have deploy app. You can deploy to iOS and Android in minutes. I deployed 2 apps last week, and I'm going to do a 1 or 2 hour video where I'm going to take you from A to Z. We're going to build one app together. We want to deploy it to iOS. I don't have an Android phone, so I'm going to buy one. And then we're also going to do one more video for Android. So I'm going to cover A to Z of everything. And I'm going to first let you know how to build an app. And then we are adding AI APIs. I'm going to show you. I'm going to add payments, whatever you need in your app. I'm going to build that. I'm going to show you how to do it. Also, you can do it yourself. It's very easy, but still, I'm going to do it so that you can see how it's being built. And then once we're done with these videos, we're going to do other amazing edition of videos. Not going to say you how, but it's going to be all about sales. It's going to all be about marketing and distribution. So follow us, subscribe us, and also go build your dream apps with Natively. There is a link in the description. If you go through that link, you will get 5 additional prompts to help you start building your mobile app. So just use the opportunity to start building your app. Now is the best time to build anything, especially mobile apps. So just use the opportunity. Great. Natively is building our app. It looks amazing. Of course, this is the first draft, and as you have watched my previous videos, I like to steal design from other places. So I'm gonna ask for some design ideas from Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest here. Amazing. Let's put a flashcard note. Okay, flashcard study app, let's say. And I know lots of friends or people that they have flashcard apps and they're making a lot of money. So this can be an app for you, or you can actually sell the app and then of course add some creative features, gamify it so people come study there. So it's really up to you, up to your creativity. How do you want to enhance or develop the app further? Great. So this is yeah, but this is task management. I want note study. This is more of to do. Flashcard. Okay, study app. Let's say study app. Okay, flash. I think this is the one more. Yeah, let's use this one. This is simple. Yeah, I don't like the design much, but it's still, just for the sake of this demo, we can use it. Perfect. Awesome. So it's being built. We have the profile. We have simple things. You just, create a new doc. You study, basics. Hello, whatever. Java. Um, so let me connect the Supabase because we need this. It's already asked us. So I'm gonna go to Supabase here. Very easy. Connect with Supabase. Like literally, it's so easy. Just anyone can build apps. Uh, and I don't know how to code, so I'm a non-technical person. If I can do these things, you all can do it. Let me try. So we let natively to build our database. If we want to build a database ourselves, first of all, it's impossible. Second of all, it's going to take days and weeks to build a database. So I'm not going to create a new project because I don't have enough space. I'm going to connect with Dog Walking app. Yeah, if you go to the dashboard, you can see that we have 50 tables. These tables are all from other projects, from other apps that I have built. You can see here, but also you can see that I'm already, like deploying my app in the iOS. Okay, I have to sign up, but just yeah. So yeah, let's go back here. Let's go to natively. It's connected. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. Let's give it a go. Please comment what you're building, what you're doing this Sunday. Yeah, I would love to know more about who are my listeners. And if you have any specific idea, or if you want to do something, like if you want me to do something specific, for example, okay, Jahed, can you build an app where we can use Sora 2 API, or we can use this API, or we can use this AI, or the payment? So because I have lots of ideas myself to build content, but if you have some specific needs, please comment, and then I will do that for you. So we're gonna have millions of content out on our YouTube channel, but also across other platforms that we are there: Reddit, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. So wherever you're following us, just please give us the ideas, and please share what app you're building with natively. And yeah, just we would love to see what our community is building. Today's Sunday, but I have an amazing energy. Uh, I had some good sleep. I woke up, I had a good breakfast. Then I did some work. You see, it's 2:11 p.m. here. Then after this recording, I'm gonna go to the gym, do some workout, and then I'm gonna come back, do the editing, release the episode, and then cook myself a dinner, and then work on the next week plans, and do some emails. But also we have 2-3 more mini hackathons are coming, so I have to create Luma event. We have some workshops next week. I have to prepare for them. So yeah, I'm just today is preparing, relaxing, and then next week will be a long one. Yeah, and I have a trip in the end of the next week. I'm going to Kazakhstan, so I have to prepare for that trip as well, slowly. Have some error here. We'll fix it. Yeah, it's gonna be fixed. Yes. As I said in the past, every error will be fixed and is fixable, so there should not be stress. Yes, nice. Yeah, so you see it actually created just like clean the mockup data so we can add ourselves. Yes, you see there was 50 tables, now it's 52 tables. So if you can find those 2 tables will be interesting. Yeah, DAX. So this is like the flashcards, but we should call it flashcards, not DAX, because yeah, it's flashcards. Nice, it looks amazing. Of course, it's simple. There's no design yet, but I'm gonna work on the design now. So let's go here. Okay, recent. Okay, but I should have downloaded it. Save. Okay. Okay, we're done. Okay, I'm gonna say please use this for the design and branding. Let's give it a go. Okay, the design is changing a bit. At least the color changed. Yeah, it changed. Okay, the flashcard. Nice. It's not called Dex. But also we can, yeah, flashcard Dex. Okay. But yeah, it's flashcard. Nice. Yeah, like to be honest, if you have an Apple developer account, you just migrate to GitHub. You make your repository public. Then you just copy the link on the browser. You just like put it on the Expo Go, and that's easy, like that easy. So I'm gonna soon do a video on that next week. So be prepared. From A to Z, we are gonna launch. So you can launch, like when you're launched the iOS first, it will be launched on test flight, so you can see how it works, and then you fill in the application for the iOS. Providing all the information, the screenshots, the design. So it's just, yeah, I I couldn't believe that I deployed an app in 1 hour and build it and deployed. Of course, I didn't build a full functioning app. Everything was not ready. I just did for the process. I was like shocked that wow, I did build an app in 1 hour and deploy all into test flight and ready to push for iOS. It was just like mind blowing for me. I was like, okay, this is crazy. Yeah, this is a very simple design. If you look at other previous videos, we had a bit different design, complicated ones, but I think, really depends on what you like, but also depends on your example, what you take. So if you are a designer or like, how your app should look like, you can actually, draw it in a piece of paper and then upload that. Or you can, sketch it in the Figma, then like you can see how it works. But yeah, this is our simple flashcard app that we built with 2-3 prompts. We have built the front end, the back end, and now like kind of like the design a bit. So yeah, if you like to, so I'm doing this competition for 30 days, and like today is the 12th day. I'm giving away this app idea or the app to one of you who's listening. So please comment in the comment section and then say, okay, I want this project, or like write me on Discord. So I'll give the ownership of the project to you. And yeah, the idea of this challenge is to build something simple with 2-3 prompts in very short time and give it away to some of you. And please use the link and the description and go make your account with Native and also get 5 additional prompts. So all the best, enjoy your Sunday, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.